blanket?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay. What color is this blanket?
Blue.
Mm-hmm. It's a nice, soft, huh?
What's it?
You're holding him.
Kai?
Yeah, he might cry again. It's okay.
No.
Nose. You can see his big head. He's brand new.
Kai?
Mm-hmm. He will cry. Hear another baby crying? Can you hear that, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, not your baby. Oh, look at, he's looking at you. He opened his eyes a little to see you. Oh, I think he's going to cry. You calmed him down. What a good.
Kate?
See, it's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
Kai?
Yeah. Doing a good job, huh?
Kate? Toe?
He's sleeping now. Oh, his toes are all wrapped up.
He looks like a boy.
Kai?
Sleeping, huh?
Kai?
Where's the ears? See his little ears? Baby ears, tiny ears. Are they tiny?
Yes. Kai? Mom?
Yep, there's his mouth.
This?
I got all sorts of bracelets. See? Pretty cool, huh?
Kai?
He's
Kai?
happy. He doesn't cry.
I know.
He's happy. He doesn't need to cry
He's
right now.
sleeping. That's good. He's napping. Shh. Be careful with your hands. Good job, Daisy. We need to cover your mouth if you cough, yeah. Okay, thank you. Good job.
Kate?
Tights, you have tights on. All right, let's get a break from him.